In this video, we'll be looking at the CVEXCEL function within CaseView. The CVEXCEL function can be used to populate cells in your CaseView files directly from Excel documents. To use this function, firstly copy your Excel document into your document manager within Working Papers. You can now give your Excel file an appropriate name and identifier. Right-click on the document and select Properties. Adjust the number and the name here. Once complete, click OK. You can now open your Accounts document. Locate the cell you wish to populate from the Excel document. This must be an input cell, but can be a standard cell provided by CaseWare or a custom cell created by yourself. In this example, we will show you both methods. Firstly, how to adjust a custom cell. Access the Enable Editing function via the View tab on the toolbar. Enable Editing is password protected, therefore please speak to a super user at your firm for access if you are unaware of the password. Once inserted, select the cell. A calculation will need to be inserted, so select the button on the calculation formula bar. Here you can see various function categories. Select the linkage option and locate the CVEXCEL calculation. Information and examples of the various calculations available can be found on the right hand side. Select the CVEXCEL function to populate the calculation with this information. Next, in the calculation field, insert the name of your Excel file. The name of the Excel file should be inserted with speech marks on either side. Next, insert a comma and within additional speech marks, insert the sheet number your figure is located in within the Excel file. Similar to Excel formulas, the sheet must also be enclosed within single quotations. You should also include an exclamation mark after the sheet number. In this example, we'll insert sheet 1. Finally, we can insert the cell number we'd like to populate the cell with. We can then provide an alternative argument such as 1. The cell will then be populated with this alternative argument in the event that the Excel file cannot be located. Finally, insert the close bracket. You'll notice that the result is updated with the figure from the cell in the Excel file. Select OK to save, then select OK to close the window. The custom cell will now be populated from the Excel file. To populate a CaseWare input cell within a CaseWare note from an Excel file, access the Table tab on the toolbar. In this example, we'll be looking at the Pension Commitments note. Select your cell, then select the Cell Configuration button. Within the formula field, you can insert the same formula as we saw within our custom cell. Therefore, we'll insert CVEXCEL open bracket, the name of the Excel file, the sheet number, and the cell we wish to populate from. We can then insert the alternative argument and a close bracket. The result will then show within the results field. Click OK to save these changes. The cell will now be populated from the Excel file. A warning message may display as the figure will need to correspond with the information inserted within your trial balance. For more videos and other useful information, please visit our CaseWare knowledge base or visit our YouTube or LinkedIn pages by searching for CaseWare Client Services. Alternatively, you can contact our support team using the information shown on screen.